Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yogan. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so in the previous session we have completed a variable in the Python. Today we will learn about the data types in the Python. So we have many data types, inbuilt data types in the Python. You can see over the screen we have integer, float, we have string, boolean, list, dictionary, tuples, and etc. Okay, so let's understand one by one. What is integer? So the whole number we can say we can call it as integer. So whole number, what is the whole number? So we can say 1 2 3 5. These are the whole number. Okay, so these are the integer number we can say. So let's take an example to understand. Let's say I will take any value, let's say 19. Okay, now we will check the data type of the 19. So you can see this is integer. As I said, the whole number is the integer number. Okay, so this is the integer. Now we will understand about the float number. So we can say float number, decimal number is a float number. So decimal number we can say like this: 12 point any number, 12.1. Okay, I will assign to b. This is our variable. Now if I check the data type of b, it would be float. So this is any decimal number would be float. Okay, now we will learn about the string. Okay, so we can make the string like this. If we write anything in the double quotes would be string. So I will write my name. Okay, and if I check the data type of it, you can check the data type by typing the type. Okay, we can check the data type like this. So it would be string. Okay, what is boolean? Boolean is nothing, it is the true and false. True or false. If we will get true or false, this would be boolean. The true means true represents 1 or false represents 0, and false will be 0. Okay, and true will be 1. Now we will check dictionary. Let's create a list. Sorry, we will check learn list first. Let's create a list. So we can put any data types in the list. It can contain anything. We can put the true, we can put the true as well. We can put any data type in the list. So list is a sequential data type. This kind of ordered collection we can say. Okay, and this is mutable. Mutable means we can change any element in the list. I can remove it, I can add it. We can I will perform different function operation with the list. We will learn in the next session about the operation with the list, tuple, and dictionary. Okay, in this class we will learn about the data type only. Okay, so now if I check the type of the list one, it would be list. Okay, like this we can check the dictionary. We will create the dictionary with the curly braces, and this is the key value pair. Okay, this is the key value pair, and key should be unique. Okay, is my key and this is 1 is my value. Like this we can assign any value to the key. I can take B and I will assign 10 to this key. So like this we can create the dictionary. Okay, and this dictionary is a unordered collection. So if you see this, if I check the type, I don't want to print it, I just want to check the type, it would be dictionary. So like this we can create the list, we can create the dictionary, and we can check the data type of the list. And we have one more tuple. We create this is parenthesis. Okay, and this is also sequential kind of sequential data type. This is also order data type. We can put any data type in it. I will take string. Okay, I have taken integer, I have taken string, and I will take the float. Okay, we can take boolean as well. Like this we can put any data type in the tuple. Now if I check the data type of the tuple, let me copy it and paste. So this is the data type. Now along with that I want to show you some arithmetic operations as well. Okay, so let's continue with the arithmetic operations. So I will start with the addition. If I want to add two numbers, then how will write the code? Okay, so let's uh, try to add two numbers. I will take A and B. Okay, and I have assigned the value to A and B. Now I want to add this number, so this is very simple. We can add like this, A plus B, and print. See, we have the answer 50. That is how. And we can also add any number. We can take one more as well. Okay, and we can see, this is small c. See, Python is a case sensitive. Okay, so I have taken small c here and I mentioned here capital C. That's why I got the error. So you have to make sure that you will write the correct variable. Okay, now we can print like this, we can add like this. We can also do this, like I can assign any other variable, and I can write like this as well. Okay, and I can simply print z. We can do that. See, now we will subtraction. We can take any number. We will again take 20 and 10. Now I want to perform the operation. So this is very easy. Now we can take the division as well. We can use this number. Okay, so simply I will write print. I will divide 20 by 10. So I will A Y V. So you can see the answer. Now you can see you are getting floating point number, right? Floating point number. If you want to check the type of it, you will get it. Sorry, this spelling is wrong. Now see, you are getting floating point number when you are using the single slash. Okay, if I put one more slash, then see, it would be integer. Now let me show you the value. If you don't want any decimal number, then you can use the double slash here. Okay, now let me remove this and just see the value. You are getting the integer number, the whole number as well. Okay, so like that you can perform the operations, arithmetic operation. You can uh, create the variable as I showed you in the previous session, and I have explained the data type as well. In the next session we will understand about the input function. Okay, or we can learn today as well. Let's do this. Okay, so we have a function called as input. So this is the inbuilt function in the Python has been given us, okay, to use directly. Okay, so as you seen that I have assigned the value to A and B and use here. Now if I want to take the value from the user, okay, I will not hard code it. I want to take the different value from the user, then I can use this function. Let me explain how to use it. Okay, so I want to assign any value to A, and I want to take it from the user. Okay, so I will write here, please assign any value. Okay, so I will run it and I will get a pop-up. Okay, now I will assign the value 10 to A. Okay, up. Now I will print it. See, I will get 10, but the 10, what will you say it is integer or string? Let me check the type in front of you. Let me check the type of A. This is string because input function gives us the uh, string value by default. Now there is a term of the data type casting where we can convert the data type into another one. Okay, so I got the value 10, which is currently string. But if let's say I want to add the number, can I add the number like string? No, right? I have to convert into the int. Let's uh, take another number as well, so I can perform the operation. So I will say, please assign another number, another value. Okay, now I will take two values. I will first take the value for the A, and then I will take the value for the B. Now if you check the data type of A, it is already string. Let me show you the data type of the B as well. This is also string. Now I want to perform the addition operation. Okay, let me do that as is without the typecasting. So what you will get, the this value, means it just concatenate, it just do the concatenate. I want to add it. What should be the answer? If I do 10 plus 20, it should be 30, right? And what we got this value. Okay, so we need to do the typecasting here. Let me copy paste here and let me do the typecasting. So that is how we do the typecasting. I will convert the number into the integer. Okay, so now let me take the input again. It is 10 and I will assign 20 to the another number. Now I will perform the action. Okay, now I got the correct answer. So by default we get the string value from the input function. We have to do the typecast if I want the integer number. Okay, and we can convert into the float as well. Okay, if let me show you this as well. So if I want to convert the float, let me take the, I will take 2 here and 3 here, and if you print the value of a, see, this is the float. Let me check the type of a, it is float. Okay guys, so this is all about the data type, input function and the arithmetic operation. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. You can mail me. I will give you the email address of mine as well. Okay, thank you so much.